I cannot believe I'm up right now at 5 a.m. As soon as I heard the alarm, I was like, oh my god, am I really doing this right now? But that's the hardest part, and I did it. So I've had like a slow morning, which has been perfect. I got a bunch of skincare products out. We have some Drunk Elephant, Glow Recipe, my two favorite lip products, Vaseline and my Glossier lip balm. And then I got out these under eye masks. I just feel like going slow is the way we're gonna get through this morning. But it feels nice being up. I literally opened my blinds. I was like, oh, it's still like dark. What time is sunset? I don't know because I'm never up this early. Or sunrise. Oh my god, lol. Sunrise is at 6:23. So my goal is to be at the roof at 6:23 with a coffee and watch the sunrise. I think that'll be a perfect way to start my morning, and then I'm gonna be productive. And I'll let you guys know if it's worth it. They're cute, they have little stars in them. We're gonna leave that on and just relax. If I relax too much though, I'll go back to sleep, so don't relax too much. Theodore is my family's cat that I'm watching for like 2 weeks. I love him. He's been in a lot of my past videos, but now that I don't live at home anymore, obviously I don't see him as much. So I'm so glad he's here. But yeah, it is way too early for both of us. It is 5:55. God, guys, I made it. I can't even tell you the last time I watched the sunrise. Like, this is so crazy. I need to do this more often. Cheers. On one hand, there's something about the morning air that makes me sick. Like literally, like I'm gonna throw up. But there's also something about it that's so refreshing, and it's like you're up before everyone else. It is 6:35 right now. I wouldn't be up for another like 4 hours. It's so funny, I just heard someone's alarm going off. I'm like, I've already been up for 2 hours. I am about to make my second cup of coffee and some breakfast. I have been so lazy when it comes to cooking, so right now I kind of feel motivated to make like a good breakfast. So I'm gonna make like an egg, sausage, tomato, avocado scramble. It should be really good and filling. to get up. This is too cute. I finished my makeup. It's just very natural. I'll do my hair later. For now, I'm good with it back. It's just been so annoying to do every morning, so putting it back today is actually really nice. I am gonna start cleaning my apartment. This area behind me doesn't look too bad at all. It's my kitchen and my bathroom that I have a lot of work to do, so I'm gonna get started on that. I don't know how I'm gonna get up though. He is so cute. Look at him. That looks so much better. Oh my god, what a difference. I haven't seen all these chairs empty in so long. So my camera died while I was cleaning my kitchen, but look how good it looks. I mean, what a huge improvement. Like, I took clips of it before and it was so embarrassing. So I knew I had to do a good job and clean everything. I literally cleaned the stove. Like, look at the burners, look so much better. I cleaned these, like every little detail in here. I don't think it's been this clean since I moved in, honestly. The countertops look better. I cleaned the fridge. It looks so good. Did all the dishes. That was such a disaster. I have a load going right now. Even this backsplash. And over here, look at this little jar. I filled it with these Trader Joe's chocolate hazelnut cookies. These are so good. So I put those there, and then I have my coffee stuff. I am so obsessed, and I just got this tea that I'll probably make later. It's jasmine, which is one of my faves. So what a difference. It's crazy. So I'm so happy I did that. I was honestly like the least excited to clean my kitchen. Like, I've been putting this off for so long, and I was like, I need to just go full out. I don't know the next time I'm gonna cook in here because I want it to stay like this forever. It is only 8:30 and I already have so much stuff done. So I am moving into the bathroom. It's just crazy how fast my apartment gets dirty. We're gonna focus on this area where I start my day every morning. Cleaned like my entire apartment and it's only 9:26. Like, I've been waking up between 10 and 10:30, which is still an hour from now. I was not expecting to get this much done. I am feeling so tired though. Like, look at me. I feel like my eyes are so heavy. I definitely feel like I didn't get enough sleep. So I'm like literally crossing off my list as I go. I've been using the Notability app like all summer, and this helps me with planning, crossing days off my calendar, making lists. I'm starting like a calendar for September. I also love drawing my outfits. I'm drawing outfits for like different videos I'm making. I love it though. I've always been very like traditional, taking notes on pen and paper, but this is so much easier. I have every color I could want right here. I can switch to different tools. I can move things around. Definitely check out Notability. It has like every feature you could want, and especially for school, like it's perfect. I'll probably take a break for like 10 minutes and just think about sleep. I just rested for a while and changed my outfit. This is what I'm gonna wear on today's morning walk. I love the colors pink and brown together, so I'm wearing these brown leggings and then this pink zip up with a white sports bra. I have my Lululemon water bottle. So cute. I love dressing up way more than working out or doing anything active. And look how cute, my phone case matches my jacket perfectly. So I'm gonna get on my shoes and I'm gonna go. I had to change my shirt. It's just way too hot today, but it's crazy. So right now it is 10:30, which is the time I would usually be waking up. And I've already had like an entire day before I would even usually be awake yet. So it's crazy to think about like all the stuff I've already done today, and the fact that I've already been up for 5.5 hours is kind of scary. I'm definitely tired. I went to bed at like 11 last night. So it's not like I didn't get any sleep at all, but that's what it feels like. I have not slept since 4:59. I want to do a final review of this video and talk about if I think it was worth it to wake up at 5 a.m. When I was going to school every day, obviously I woke up super early and I always make time to get ready in the morning. But since I've graduated college, I now have to figure out my own schedule and do things that are productive on my own time, like holding myself accountable. So I think this would be a really great way to do that, because I forced myself to get up at 5 a.m. and I wanted to make it worth it, you know? Like, getting up that early is so hard that it's like, I have to make it worth it, you know? So I got up, I got ready, I watched the sunrise, I made a really good breakfast, I cleaned my entire apartment, I went on a morning walk, like a bunch of stuff that I would want to do on a regular day, but I just don't always get around to. It was such a productive day. I'm so proud of myself for doing all of that. I think in the future, this would be such a good way to keep myself going, especially if I have like a long list of stuff to do. This is such a great way to get it done. And now I have the rest of the day, like the sun's out, I get to enjoy it. Honestly, I feel like I'll do this more often. There's also something about being awake when most other people are asleep. It's just kind of peaceful. Like 5 a.m. is the perfect time. My sleep schedule changes all the time, but I was going to sleep at like 4 a.m. for a while. So it's kind of crazy to think that I woke up today at the same time that I used to go to sleep. I had a really good time filming this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it too, and that this motivated you or got you guys thinking maybe you want to wake up at 5 a.m. Let me know what time you guys wake up. Like, I have so much respect for people who are working super early every day. I used to commute to school an hour every day, and that was so draining. I appreciate you all so much for watching today's video and staying until the end. I will see you guys soon. I love you so much. Bye! Mwah.